Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will talk about fifth object type in Python, which is mapping object type. So in this session, we will see what is the mapping object, then what is the standard mapping object available in Python, and then we will see how to declare mapping object. So let's start our discussion without wasting any time. Okay, so what is a mapping object? Mapping object is used to map any immutable object to any arbitrary object. And we know what is immutable object. Immutable object is an object where we cannot modify any value. Okay, so in the mapping, there will be two sides, the left side and the right side. And on the left side, there will be immutable object. Okay, on the right side, there can be either immutable object or mutable object. The second thing about the mapping object is it is a mutable object. So what does it mean? It simply means that we can anytime modify the value of the mapping. And what is the standard mapping type? So it is dictionary. Okay. Now what is a dictionary? Dictionary is used to map immutable objects like tuple or some constants like strings. And these immutable objects which are used on the left side of the mapping are referred to as keys. And this dictionary maps keys to any arbitrary value like list, tuple, constant variables, or even another dictionary, and we call them as values. Now let's see the syntax of the dictionary. So this dictionary is a key value pair. Okay, and we separate the key value pair using colon, and we define the dictionary using curly braces. Okay, now let's see some examples here. So let's say if I go in a car showroom and I want to buy a car, so I will ask some questions. What is the brand? What is the model? In which year it was manufactured? What is the type of the car? And of course, what is the price of the car? Okay, so when we ask these kind of questions, these questions are basically referred to as keys in the dictionary. And the answer to our questions are referred to as values. Okay, so this is an example of a simple car and it has certain features. So let's say brand. What is the brand of the car? It is Tata. What is the model? It is Safari. In which year it was manufactured? It was 2024. What is the type of the car? It is SUV. And what is the price? It is $20,000. Okay, now let's try this in PyCharm. Okay, so we'll use the same example var car dict equals to, and then here I'll say brand. What is the brand? Brand is Tata. Then what is the model? So model is Safari. Then what is the year of manufacturing? So it is, let's say, 2024. Then what is the type of the car? It is SUV. Then what is the price of the car? It is $20,000. Okay, and we can simply print it. So var underscore car underscore dict. Now let's run this code. So now you can see here it is giving us the correct result, and we can apply different operations on this dictionary, but we'll talk about this in detail when we will see what dictionary is capable of doing. Okay, here it's just the introductory session. It just means to explain you what is a dictionary. That's it. Okay, now let's go back and see another example. So this is a dictionary which contains the list of the fruits which has a particular vitamin. Okay, so here, as I said, that dictionary is a mapping of the immutable object to any mutable type or any arbitrary type which can be either mutable or immutable. Okay, and we know that tuple is a immutable object. Okay, so we can always use tuple as a key in the dictionary. Key must be immutable, okay, and value can be either mutable or immutable, okay. So here you can see that this list, or you can say tuple of fruits, has been used as a key, and what this particular vitamin or what these tuple of fruits contain as a vitamin is referred to as values. Okay, now let's try this in PyCharm. So we'll simply remove it and we'll say var fruit dict equals to, first one is mango, papaya and carrot, and all these fruits contain vitamin A. Similarly, another tuple of fruits, kiwi, strawberry and orange, kiwi, strawberry and orange. So what these fruit contains, which vitamin these fruit contains? It contains vitamin C. Similarly, one more, and here it is avocado, blackberry and kiwi fruit. So avocado, blackberry and kiwi fruit. All these fruits contain vitamin E. Now let's print this, var fruit dict. So when I run the code, you can see here it is giving us correct result. So that means it is accepting it. Now let's say if I try to change this tuple to list, what will happen? When I try to change list tuple to list, and when I run it, you can see here it is giving us unhashable type list. So we cannot keep any mutable object as a key in dictionary. Okay, we'll always have to use immutable object as a key in dictionary. Now let's see one more example. So this is basically an employee data. Now as I said that we can also keep a dictionary as a value inside another dictionary. So here is the example for that. Okay, so you can see here in the var employee data we have a dictionary inside dictionary, and the key for the outer dictionary is the employee ID, and the inner dictionary contains the information about the employee. So what is the name of the employee, what is the age, then what is date of birth, what is salary, then what is date of joining. Okay, now let's try this here. So I'll say var emp underscore data equals to 101, and inside it we have some values like name. What is the name? Bruce Landry. Then we have age. Age is 34 years. Then date of birth is it is 1st February 1990. So 1st February 1990. Now the next element is salary. So what is the salary? Salary is $50,000. $50,000, and date of joining is 21st June 2022. Okay, so this is the first element. For the outer dictionary, the first element is this whole dictionary along with the key employee ID. Okay, similarly, what we can do, we can just copy it and paste it here because keys will always be same. So 2 and then 3. Okay, now keep this comma here, and next the employee ID is 102, and the name of the employee is Sharon Baxter. So we'll just change the keys, the values, and age is 40 years. It is 40 years. Date of birth is 23rd July 1984. It is 23rd July 1984. Salary is $80,000, and date of joining is 3rd April 2020. It is 3rd April 2020. Similarly, for the third one, so the employee ID is 103, and the name is Kiran Medina. So it is Kiran Medina. Age is 28 years. Date of birth is 27 November 1996. 27 November 1996. Salary is $30,000, and date of joining is 1st September 2023. So 1st September 2023. Now when I try to print the value, okay, now let's try to print this dictionary. So when I try to print the dictionary, you can see here it is giving us the response, which is same as what we declared here. Okay, so this is how you can declare and define a dictionary. That's all for this session. Thank you.